For 75 years, the Cove School has provided an individualized education for students with learning disabilities. Now it is expanding its services to help young adults.
Joining us now with details on their new Career Center is Executive Director Dr. Sally Sover and Director of Advancement Alexandra Argentar. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
So Dr. Sover, tell us a little bit about the community you serve and why the Cove School is so special.
Our community is just amazing. Students and families come from all over the Chicago area, including students from Indiana, from Wisconsin, and some have actually even moved from Iowa, you know, to be sure that their students receive the best education possible. We're committed to those with disabilities, and we have a highly trained staff and small class sizes that allow us to provide that individualized education that we know leads toward their lifelong success.
Okay, and that's K through 12, but we know that
Correct.
there is still more needed after high school, and that is what the Cove Center, which you're about to break ground on, or ribbon cut, is opening to. Explain how that will work.
Great, yeah. Tomorrow we're going to be cutting, we're going to do a ribbon cutting for the new Cove Career Center, which is located in downtown Northbrook, but serves students from throughout the Chicagoland area as well, and serves as a bridge for a lot of our students. We know that living with a disability is hard, and that education doesn't just stop at age 18, and that students need that continuum of academic support, of vocational training. They need to be a part of a community, who understands them and supports them, and a sense of belonging.
Yeah, I'm sure you both can speak to this. What are some of the biggest challenges your students face?
Well, we have, alums that we stay connected to, and that's a part of our community. And over the years, over the past 10 to 12 years, we've been collecting data on how is that going for them, after you leave our school. And what we know to be true is that finding jobs and keeping jobs is really, really hard for them to do. We know that living independently can just be so challenging, and accessing resources that are available to them can also be just an incredible difficulty that they need continued support with. We know too that some really do want to continue with their education. They're not done learning, and those opportunities stopped for them once formalized academics stopped at the age of 18. So we're committed to making sure that those kinds of challenges get supported. We even provide the related services that are needed within those experiences, so that they can get that added support in the moment when it's needed.
Alexandra, you talked about vocational training. What types of vocational training do you provide?
Well, we partner with businesses, in our community and organizations that are willing to, take a chance on us and on our students. And so those businesses come forward and meet us halfway. And so our, highly trained staff and, they're fierce advocates for these kids, and these students in the community. Working to, sometimes break down tasks. So for example, a typical job training manual, might be too general and might move too quickly. And so how can we help break that down so employers and businesses can understand how best for them to, train those individuals and support them. So as Dr. Sover said, we can continue to support the employment, not just get the job, but keep the job and be successful throughout.
And how can people that are watching right now help support the Cove School?
Great, yes. We encourage people to step forward and believe in individuals with disabilities, and partnering with us and frankly other organizations that serve people with disabilities, is really important, for them to recognize that individuals with disabilities bring strength and importance and value to our workforce.
And real quickly, do you have to have attended the Cove School to be able to go to the Cove Career Center?
No, you do not.
Okay.
No.
That's wonderful. All right, here's the information for the Cove School / Cove Career Center, which will have a ribbon cutting tomorrow. It's in Northbrook. There's the social media handles as well as the website. Ladies, thanks for coming today and sharing the information with us, and best of luck to you.
Thank you
so
very much.
Thank you.